Hi and welcome back to Realtox. This is the third part of our Nextcloud series, and today we're going to explain how to install Nextcloud via the web hosting service Plesk. If you want to install Nextcloud via the auto installer, or if you would rather install it manually, please check out our other videos. Firstly, log into your Plesk interface as shown in the video. Next, click on Your Domain and go to the integrated button Install Nextcloud. This should open a new page where you can add an admin, password and the name of the subfolder. If you want to install this to the root directory, just insert a dot. The install should take around 2 minutes. When the process is finished, the window Installing and Configuring Nextcloud should automatically close. You should now see a fresh install with the newest version, in this case 20.0.2.2, as well as the application services. When first opening the Nextcloud domain, you should see a pop-up with a yellow warning around it telling you that this website is not safe. This is because we haven't installed an SSL certificate for this site yet. To do this, go back to Plesk and the SSL and TLS certificate option in your home screen. Next, create the certificate, making sure the right site is selected. When refreshing the page, you should now see the pop-up go away and your site being secure. You are now on the Nextcloud home screen. Simply type in the username and password you generated during the install process and log in. If you want to see how to change options, share files and more inside Nextcloud, please make sure to check out our next video. Stay safe and see you next time.